Hey all, Matt here with Bobcat Bonsai, and today we're going to do a little work on creating an acacia forest with a twist. Let's get to it. So, different setting than normal. Story's being a little silly today and messing with Hattie Joe, so we're up on the deck where Story can't get down to Hattie Joe. So we're going to start out here with our little drawing book that I've been trying to work through now, and this is going to bring us over to our twisted acacia forest. I'm probably pronunciating it wrong. I'm always terrible at trying to pronunciate it. So we're going to be using 1-year-old trees. I've got this red Chinese factory pot, and as you can see, it does have a little bend in on the rim. So it was brought to my attention in one of my other videos that the lip makes it hard for repotting, and that is 100% correct. But my plan here is that I'll probably end up repotting it prior to the roots actually locking out inside here. That's the goal. Worst case scenario, I have to break the pot and take the trees out that way. Not a super positive way to go about it, but it will, the pot only cost me $1, so not awful. Not an awful way to go about it. I'd prefer not to break it, but if I have to, it's not awful. So here's the trees here. And the plan here with the acacia forest with a twist is that I'm actually going to take all the trees that I can and get them twisted together. As you can see here, we had a little late bloomer. So these are all year old, and then one ended up popping almost a year after everyone else has grown and said, hey, I want to be part of the party. So that little guy transplanting at this point is a pretty low chance of surviving. That one will not be twisted to any of the other ones, and we're just going to hope for the best with the little guy. So I'm not going to drag you through the whole process. I'm just going to go through. We'll fast play it, do a little bit of music. As you can see in the background, Story's running around out here. So let's get to it. Alright, I hope you all enjoyed this little video here. I know it's kind of different from what I've been releasing because there's not much talking and stuff in it, but I figured you may enjoy it. Just a nice little acacias twisted amongst each other that are in a forest planting. I tried to keep it in odd numbers, and of course, like my main trunks once again. I had exactly 8 of the big guys, and that broke down to 4, but I think it'll be okay. It'll be nice once this grows up a little bit, and it'll kind of hang above here. But that's the tree. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you enjoy my content, you should subscribe to my channel. And if you really enjoy my content, you should hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I release a new video. Thank you.